How to remove my Facebook account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove your Facebook account from other devices step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you are in the settings and privacy section, you simply have to tap on see more in account center. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on password and security. And inside this section, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as where you are logged in. So here, you simply have to tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see a list of all the devices where your Facebook account is currently active in, including phones, computers, or tablet. So here each entry will be shown with the device name, location, and the time of the last activity. So here you can just tap on select devices to log out, which can be seen at the bottom. And after that, you can simply select the account which you want to log out from. And here, once you have selected it, just tap on the logout button. And to log out from all devices at once, you can just tap on select all, and after that you can simply tap on logout and confirm it. And that's it. That's how you can remove your Facebook account from other devices. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.